Assalamu alaikum everyone. Can you say what am I doing right now? Right now I'm weeding and I am cleaning my jute field. You can see in my hand it's called weeds. Today I have come here for clean my this field. This field have several types of weeds. So you know that weeds is very harmful for all types of food field and vegetable everything field. So this is my field, and after Asur Pray I have come here for clean my field. So right now I am cleaning my field. It's called weeds, and this is jute. This is my jute field. So today weather is very cool, but before Asur this weather was very hot. That time I was thinking today weather is very hot. If I go the field, I won't survive properly. But right now, Allah has been blessed me, and Allah has been given the wind, cool wind as well as cloud. That's why weather is very cool, and I am feel very fantastic. So this is my area field. If I say my behind side, there has silly field. Also few people who are cleaning this silly field. Today my fling is outstanding. So this is jute field. I have to properly clean all field. Here have a field, and this side, my right side, has my another field. Inshallah I will try to after 2 days 3 days later clean this all field. And I have been cleaning this field for 30 minutes because you know that I was praying Asr Salat, and before Asr Salat I have several types of work I needed to study, and every day I am to study this time. Most of the time I feel like afternoon time and morning time I come in the field. So no more today, inshallah. See you in the next video. That's all about today video.